everyone. In today's video, we will be practicing important questions from the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration. Question number 1. Identify the correct statement regarding hormones. Hormones act only on tissues adjacent to glands. Hormones are released directly into blood and act on target tissues. Hormones act through nerve impulses. Hormones are produced only during stress. The right answer is option B. Hormones are released directly into blood and act on target tissues. Endocrine glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream. Hormones act on specific target organs having receptors. Question number 2. The hormone responsible for increasing blood calcium level is parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, thyroxine, insulin. The right answer is option A. Parathyroid hormone increases blood calcium by stimulating bone resorption. Calcitonin has the opposite effect. Question number 3. The hormone responsible for milk ejection reflex is dash: prolactin, oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone. The right answer is option B, oxytocin. Oxytocin secreted from posterior pituitary causes contraction of mammary gland cells. Prolactin stimulates milk production, not ejection. Question number 4. Identify the incorrect statement regarding the hypothalamus. It links nervous and endocrine systems. It secretes releasing and inhibiting hormones. It directly secretes insulin. It controls pituitary gland. The right answer is option C. It directly secretes insulin. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of pancreas, not hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls pituitary via releasing hormones. Question number 5. Match the following: hormone, aldosterone, calcitonin, glucagon, parathormone. Function: calcium regulation, sodium ion reabsorption, blood glucose increase, calcium deposition in bone. The right answer is option A. Aldosterone increases sodium ion reabsorption in kidneys. Calcitonin promotes calcium deposition, while glucagon increases blood glucose levels. Parathormones regulate calcium levels. Question number 6. Identify the hormone secreted by the zona fasciculata of adrenal cortex. Aldosterone, noradrenaline, adrenaline, cortisol. The right answer is option D, cortisol. Zona fasciculata secretes glucocorticoids like cortisol. Zona glomerulosa secretes aldosterone. Question number 7. Assertion: insulin lowers blood glucose. Reason: insulin promotes conversion of glucose to glycogen. Both true and reason explains assertion. Both true but reason not explanation. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both true and reason explains assertion. Insulin stimulates glycogenesis in liver and muscles. This reduces blood glucose concentration. Question number 8. The hormone responsible for metamorphosis in amphibians is dash: calcitonin, thyroxine, cortisol, melatonin. The right answer is option B. Thyroxine controls amphibian metamorphosis. Deficiency prevents tadpole transformation. Question number 9. Identify the correct pair: insulin hyperglycemia, glucagon glycogenesis, somatotropin growth, thyroxine decrease metabolism. The right answer is option C. Somatotropin growth hormone stimulates body growth. Question number 10. The endocrine gland known as the biological clock regulator is pituitary, pineal gland, thyroid, pancreas. The right answer is option B, pineal gland. Pineal gland secretes melatonin, regulating circadian rhythm. It synchronizes sleep-wake cycles. Question number 11. Assertion: calcitonin increases blood calcium level. Reason: it inhibits osteoclast activity. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true but reason is false. Assertion is false but reason is true. The right answer is option D. Assertion is false but reason is true. Calcitonin reduces bone resorption by inhibiting osteoclast. Thus blood calcium decreases. Question number 12. Identify the hormones secreted by beta cells of pancreas: glucagon, somatostatin, insulin, pancreatic polypeptide. The right answer is option C, insulin. Beta cells secrete insulin, lowering blood glucose. Alpha cells secrete glucagon. Question number 13. Deficiency of iodine leads to dash: diabetes, goiter, acromegaly, gigantism. The right answer is option B, goiter. Deficiency of iodine prevents thyroxine synthesis. Thyroid enlarges, causing goiter. Question number 14. Which hormone increases blood glucose by glycogenolysis? Insulin, prolactin, oxytocin, glucagon. The right answer is option D, glucagon. Glucagon stimulates glycogen breakdown in liver. This increases blood glucose level. Question number 15. Identify the correct statement about growth hormone. Causes dwarfism in excess, secreted by posterior pituitary, promotes protein synthesis, decreases bone growth. The right answer is option C, promotes protein synthesis. Growth hormone stimulates protein synthesis and bone growth. Deficiency causes dwarfism. Question number 16. Hormone responsible for uterine contraction during childbirth: oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone, relaxin. The right answer is option A, oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates uterine muscle contraction. It is released during labor. Question number 17. Assertion. Antidiuretic hormone increases urine output from the kidneys. Reason: antidiuretic hormone increases water reabsorption in the distal tubules and collecting ducts. Both assertion and reason true, and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option D, assertion false, reason true. Antidiuretic hormone reduces urine output by increasing water reabsorption in kidney tubules. This assertion is incorrect while reason is correct. Question number 18. Assertion. Adrenaline is called emergency hormone. Reason: it prepares body for fight or flight. Both true and reason explains assertion. Both true but reason not explanation. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A, both true and reason explains assertion. Adrenaline increases heart rate, blood pressure and glucose. These changes prepare body for emergencies. Question number 19. Identify the gland located on top of kidneys: thyroid, adrenal, pituitary, parathyroid. The right answer is option B, adrenal. Adrenal glands lie above kidneys. They secrete corticosteroids and catecholamines. Question number 20. Hormone responsible for water reabsorption in kidneys is dash: thyroid stimulating hormone, oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. The right answer is option C. Antidiuretic hormone increases water reabsorption in distal tubules. It maintains water balance. Question number 21. Identify the correct statement about antidiuretic hormone deficiency. Causes diabetes mellitus, causes diabetes insipidus, causes goiter, causes dwarfism. The right answer is option B, causes diabetes insipidus. Lack of antidiuretic hormone causes excessive urination and thirst. This condition is diabetes insipidus. Question number 22. Which hormone stimulates thyroid gland? Thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, growth hormone. The right answer is option A. Thyroid stimulating hormone from pituitary activates thyroid gland. It regulates thyroxine secretion. Question number 23. Match the following. Disorder: gigantism, acromegaly, cretinism, diabetes mellitus. Cause: insulin deficiency, thyroxine deficiency in childhood, growth hormone excess in childhood, growth hormone excess in adults. The right answer is option C. Gigantism occurs due to excess growth hormone in childhood, while acromegaly occurs due to excess growth hormone in adults. Cretinism results from thyroxine deficiency in childhood, while diabetes mellitus is caused due to insulin deficiency. Question number 24. Identify the hormones secreted by alpha cells of pancreas: insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, pancreatic peptide. The right answer is option B. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, which increase blood glucose. It acts opposite to insulin. Question number 25. Hormone responsible for development of secondary sexual characters in females is dash: testosterone, antidiuretic hormone, insulin, estrogen. The right answer is option D. Estrogen promotes female reproductive organ development. It also regulates menstrual cycle. Question number 26. Assertion. Thyroxine regulates basal metabolic rate. Reason: thyroxine decreases oxygen consumption of tissues. Both assertion and reason true, and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option C. Assertion true, reason false. Thyroxine regulates basal metabolic rate by increasing cellular metabolic activity. It actually increases oxygen consumption, so the reason is incorrect. Question number 27. The largest endocrine gland in humans is thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, pancreas. The right answer is option A. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland. It secretes thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Question number 28. Identify the hormone that stimulates milk production: oxytocin, prolactin, estrogen, relaxin. The right answer is option B. Prolactin from anterior pituitary stimulates milk synthesis. Oxytocin helps in milk ejection. Question number 29. Which hormone is secreted by pineal gland? Insulin, thyroxine, cortisol, melatonin. The right answer is option D. Melatonin regulates circadian rhythm and sleep cycle. Secretion increases during darkness. Question number 30. Hormone responsible for male secondary sexual characters is dash: estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, oxytocin. The right answer is option C. Testosterone produced by Leydig cells of testis. It stimulates male reproductive development. Question number 31. Assertion. Endocrine glands lack ducts. Reason: hormones are released directly into blood. Both true and reason explains assertion. Both true but reason not explanation. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both true and reason explains assertion. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. Their hormones diffuse into bloodstream. Question number 32. Identify the correct pair: pineal gland insulin, thyroid gland thyroxine, pancreas antidiuretic hormone, pituitary melatonin. The right answer is option B. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine, regulating metabolism. Question number 33. The hormone responsible for fight or flight response: adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine, estrogen. The right answer is option A. Adrenaline increases heart rate, blood pressure and respiration. It prepares body for emergencies. Question number 34. The hormone controlling salt and water balance is dash: prolactin, estrogen, insulin, aldosterone. The right answer is option D. Aldosterone increases sodium ion reabsorption in kidney tubules. This indirectly controls water balance. Question number 35. Assertion. Pancreas acts as both endocrine and exocrine gland. Reason: it secretes hormones and digestive enzymes. Both true and reason explains assertion. Both true but reason not explanation. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both true and reason explains assertion. Pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. It also secretes digestive enzymes via pancreatic duct. Question number 36. Identify the hormone that stimulates adrenal cortex: follicle stimulating hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone. The right answer is option C. Adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulates adrenal cortex. It regulates cortisol secretion. Question number 37. Which gland is called the master gland? Thyroid, pituitary, pineal, adrenal. The right answer is option B. Pituitary controls the activity of many other endocrine glands. Therefore, it is called master gland. Question number 38. Hormone responsible for decreasing blood calcium level is dash. Insulin, parathormone, aldosterone, calcitonin. The right answer is option D. Calcitonin promotes calcium deposition in bones. Hence, blood calcium concentration decreases. Question number 39. Identify the correct sequence of hormone secretion involved in the hypothalamus pituitary thyroid axis. The right answer is option B. Hypothalamus secretes thyrotropin releasing hormone which stimulates pituitary. Pituitary releases thyroid stimulating hormone which stimulates thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Question number 40. Which of the following hormones acts through intracellular receptors rather than membrane receptors? Insulin, adrenaline, thyroxine, glucagon. The right answer is option C, thyroxine. Thyroxine is a lipid-soluble hormone that enters target cells and binds intracellular receptors. Most peptide hormones like insulin act through membrane receptors and second messengers. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to practice more NEET Biology MCQs.